back to my channel. For today's video, guys, is unboxing time. So I had two package from Lazada, guys. This is not a sponsor, guys. This is in order ko sa Lazada, guys. So it's not his sponsor. So we will go to this one. This is a set of 3 ringer cotton top na binili ko sa Lazada and deliver by Intrigo, guys, and it costs 332 with the delivery already. That's the only thing. So ito yung nabili na in-order ko sa Lazada. Kakadating lang niya kanina, dumating lang siya kanina. So we will try to open it if it's really 3, guys. So yeah, I will put the picture here. I will put the picture there later, guys. So yeah, let's open it, guys. So oh my god, it's pretty. It's pretty, guys. Look, it's 3, guys, and look at this. Wow. So the first one is color gray, and this is what it looks like, guys, and we'll try it, guys. And the second one is this one. Wow, cool. So yan. And the third one is color blue. Color blue, guys. So nice, guys. The quality is really good, guys, and we will try this on. Second one, guys. The second one. This is the last one, guys. Nice naman ng flip niya, guys. Maganda yung quality niya, guys. Super ganda ng quality. So, yeah. And guys, ang mga quality ng mga damit, guys, ang gaganda ng quality, guys. Tapos worth it yung price niya, guys, kasi maganda yung tela, yung color. I like all the color na binigay nila sa akin. 3 set kasi yung nilagay nila doon. Nakita niyo naman sa thumbnail, guys. So tatlo talaga yung damit na nakuha ko. So gustong-gusto ko sila kasi ang ganda ng quality, and yung color is parang gusto ko din yung mga color, guys. So yun, guys.